How to draw floor plan detail and finishing using Microsoft Excel Part 3. Welcome to Gawaku Studio. This video tutorial is a continuation of the episode, How to Draw Floor Plan Using Microsoft Excel Part 2. In this episode I will show how to make a sketch of tailing and bathroom finishes on a drawing of the floor plan of a semi-detached house, as well as detailed measurements. By using Excel application, I will show a technique and an example that is very easy to understand. You just have to follow this video to the end, and observe and understand the movement of the arrows, step by step until finished. Before we get started, I would really appreciate if you click the like and subscribe button, as this video will provide knowledge, information, and be useful for you. Alright, now we start the process and technique of making a finishing drawing on the floor plan of a semi-detached house. This tutorial is a continuation from the results of the previous tutorial Part 2. We start by finishing the carport area, measuring 20 feet by 37 feet. Go to the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Rectangle. Create an image on the carport area as in the video. Right-click on the image and select the picture format. Next, in the shape format display, click on Fill and select Picture or Texture Fill, and click on the texture box. Select the pattern of your choice. To create a line pattern on the floor surface of a carport, you can use the pattern on the toolbar. Click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes. On Basic Shapes, select Hexagon, and create a shape and specify the line size and color of your choice. Set on Image, No Fill, or you can use a PNG image, such as an on-screen display. Next, apply the line pattern to the entire carport area until finished. Once finished, do the grouping process, so that the line pattern and picture remain in place. The next process of coloring the entire area of the building floor plan. Repeat and use the same method as making a carport. Go to the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, click Shapes and click Rectangle. Create an image on each area, and determine the color or texture that according to your choice. The process is as follows. Right-click on the image and select the picture format. Next, on the shape format display, click on Fill and select Picture or Texture Fill, and click on the texture box. Select the pattern of your choice. The next process is to make a line pattern on the floor surface. Go to the toolbar Insert, Illustration, and Shape. Click on the line. Make a line according to the length or width of the building plan area. Set the color and size of the line. Then copy and paste according to the amount needed, and arrange the line on the entire area according to the size of the tile. For example, the size of the tile on the screen is 24 inch by 24 inch. When arranging the line, make sure the position of the line in front or behind the image. Use the function Bring to Front or Send to Back. After completing, do grouping process so that the line pattern and image remain in place. The next process is to make detailed measurements on the site plan. Go to the toolbar, click Insert, click Illustration, select Shape and click on Line. Create a line according to the length or width of the site plan area. Set the color, pattern and size of the line. Repeat the same method or copy and paste on the same image. Next, give a detailed measurement of the area. Understand and follow the step-by-step arrow movements, such as the display on the screen until completed. After completing, do the grouping process so that the lines and sizes remain in place. The process of making a finishing and detailed semi-detached house floor plan is complete. I hope you can understand and be able to do it perfectly. Maybe you need a little practice to dominate this technique. I hope this video tutorial gives knowledge and is beneficial to you. As a token of appreciation and thanks, I request you to click the like and subscribe button on this video. Your support will make me more enthusiastic to produce further tutorials. If you're interested in following the full episode, please visit the Gawaku Studio channel, and you will be able to follow a complete tutorial entitled How to Draw Elevations Plan Using Microsoft Excel, Part 1. How to Draw Floor Plan Using Microsoft Excel, Part 2. How to Draw Floor Plan Detail and Finishing Using Microsoft Excel, Part 3. How to Draw Floor Plan Accessory and Landscape Using Microsoft Excel, Part 4. How to Draw Side View and Roof Plan Using Microsoft Excel, Part 5. How to Draw Top View and Roof Plan Using Microsoft Excel, Part 6. Technique: The Making of Semi-Detached House Plan Using Microsoft Excel, Part 7. See you in the next episode. Thank you. From Gawaku Studio.